Hey everybody. Okay, so bike is back together. I got the airbox in and the cartridge jibbing in there, and everything's hooked up from that aspect. I fired it up and it wouldn't crank. It would crank, I'm sorry, but it wouldn't fire. And I found out that I had broken a wire on one of the clips going into my ignition module. One broke, and then when I went to undo it, two more broke. And so I need to doctor up this plug. As you can see, it's really nasty. That insulation is hard as hell. It's not even flexible anymore. It's cracking everywhere. So I've got to try and get these terminals out of this plug so I can repair that connection. Now I've tried to put a pin in from this side, push it out, to unclip it. I've tried to hook around on the tops from the back here, see if I can find a little tab to loosen it up. I've also just tried to reach in with a pair of small needle nose pliers and just physically pull it out, but they won't come. So if anybody knows how to get the wires, the terminals out of this so I can solder them on and pop them back together again, I've written down the pin out for it, but I'd really like to use the same plug if I can. This thing was mounted this way down in beside the battery, and there's almost no room for it, and that was one of the reasons why the wires were so crunched up. I think in the future it's going to live right there, because the tank bolts back here and goes actually up and over. Lots of space there for it, and it won't be too hot or anything. It'll take less of a beating with the wires. So that might be where it lives. Just make a little mount for it. Yeah, if anybody knows how to put that, how to get these terminals out, let me know. Also, my fuel rig here, I didn't have a bucket to hang from the ceiling or anything, so I just put the tank on 4 milk crates, and actually the petcock comes perfectly out the hole. So it's easy that way. It's nice and sturdy, and don't look at the janky connection I made there, because I got all kinds of different kinds of tubing that don't like gasoline, but I only need it to run for about 15 minutes, so we should be fine. Yeah, that's pretty much where I stand. I bought 2 vacuum gauges, so I'll be syncing the thing once I get it to run. I guess I have to solve this problem. I think for now, if I can't get this sorted out today, I'm gonna just get 4 female spade bits, and I'll just label the pin out right on here with a paint marker, and just use the female spade bits to get this thing running for now. And then maybe later in the future I'll have to go find a used harness at a wrecker's and get one with about 6 inches of wire and splice it into the harness nice and cover up all my sins. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.